the benefits that vaping brings to many, many smokers. There are a lot of smokers who do want to quit, just as, of course, there are many people who want to keep on smoking. But if you want to quit, vaping is quite a good way of going about it. In the last 4 years, there's been quite a dramatic drop in smoking rates in this country. And that has coincided with an explosion in the number of people who've switched to vaping. So it would be completely ludicrous to ban it in public places. But again, there are e-liquids that don't give off any odour at all. So people can vape very, very quietly without inconveniencing other people. That's true, but we've got to have evidence-based policy. Now, at the moment, Public Health England and the Royal College of Physicians, they say that vaping is 95% less harmful than smoking cigarettes. So why would any policymaker introduce a ban on vaping in public places? It would be totally ridiculous. Well, nobody wants to see children smoking and probably not vaping as well. But if you
Probably not.
Well, probably not, in the sense that if I've got children, for example, and I wouldn't want them as teenagers to smoke. But if there's a choice between smoking and vaping, surely you would suggest that for you vaping is by far the better thing to do, because children are always going to experiment. And there is no evidence, for example, that children are using vaping as a gateway to tobacco, so there's no risk there. Though nicotine's potentially addictive, yes. But as Kate said, nicotine is perceived as no more harmful than caffeine, and we don't ban caffeine. And, we've got to get away from this whole idea that nicotine is a dangerous drug. It simply isn't. For many people, it's simply a perk-me-up drug that gets them going in the morning and everything. And so we've got to move away from this and accept that there will always be people who want to experiment, try different things. And for a lot of people, vaping is something they get a lot of pleasure out of, they enjoy it.